It is kind of unreal to see this with the cameras of Galaxy S23 Ultra, as Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with the new 200MP camera, which is much better than the last generation, but it feels like there are some shortcomings with this new sensor. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. Now you guys might have heard about the DxO mark, where they rate the phones according to the phone camera performance, and it seems like they didn't like the cameras of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now there are some reasons why Galaxy S23 Ultra landed at 10th position when compared to the other competitors, and if we see the phones above S23 Ultra, it is unbelievable, where Mate 50 Pro topped the chart following with the Pixel 7 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max landed at 7th position with 12MP main shooter. Now for real, I don't think this is how we should see at the cameras of S23 Ultra, as the amount of details we get on S23 Ultra is really amazing, and no other phone can match the zoom shots on the S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on this ranking, and do you like the cameras of your Galaxy S23 Ultra? Now, according to them, there are some shortcomings of S23 Ultra. First is the loss of image detail in low light situation. Second, some shutter lag when shooting in the low light imaging. And third, exposure and focus instabilities, particularly in backlit scenes. Now most of these issues were related to night photography, which Samsung claims the most. As we all know, S23 Ultra use pixel binning technology for night mode, so you guys will get 12MP shot with the main 200MP camera for night photography. And shutter lag on S23 Ultra is common because of 200MP camera. The way you can fix it is just download the Camera Assistant app from Galaxy Store, which you can then find it in your Galaxy S23 Ultra camera app. And exposure and focus can be fixed in upcoming updates on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, as S23 Ultra just hit the market. Now what are the pros? According to them, consistent camera performance in all features, phone rendering is good with the high level details, autofocus is also good in both photos and videos, and a strong telephoto zoom performance at long range. This is all because of the new 200MP camera, and the issues can be fixed with the software. So there is no doubt that Galaxy S23 Ultra is one of the best camera phone of this year, and as per my thinking, with the upcoming updates, these issues will be fixed on the S23 Ultra, and we should look at the other options that Samsung is giving us, like the Camera Assistant app and the Expert RAW mode on the S23 Ultra. If you guys want to see the battery life of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.